Have you ever needed to book a hotel room by phone but felt nervous about your English? Today, you will learn exactly how to do it. You will hear a real story about a woman named Clara. She needs to book a hotel room over the phone. Follow her story and learn 6 important English words along the way. Clara lives in a small town. She works as a graphic designer. Every year, she travels to a big city for a design conference. This year, the conference is in a city she has never visited before. Her company will pay for the hotel, but she must book the room herself. Clara searches online and finds a hotel near the conference center. The hotel looks clean and comfortable. She reads the reviews, and they are very good. She wants to call the hotel directly because she has some questions. She picks up her phone and dials the number. The phone rings twice. Then a friendly voice answers. "Good morning. This is the Grand View Hotel. How can I help you today?" Clara takes a breath and speaks clearly. "Hello. I would like to make a reservation for 3 nights, please." A reservation is an arrangement you make in advance to have a room kept for you. The receptionist is warm and helpful. "Of course," she says. "May I have your name, please?" Clara gives her full name slowly and clearly. "Thank you, Clara. What dates are you looking at?" Clara checks her notes. "I need to arrive on the 14th of March and leave on the 17th of March." "Let me check our availability for those dates," the receptionist says. Availability means whether something is free and possible to book at a certain time. Clara waits for a moment. She can hear soft keyboard typing on the other end of the line. She feels a little nervous. What if there are no rooms? "Good news," the receptionist says. "We do have availability for those 3 nights." Clara feels relieved. She smiles and relaxes her shoulders. "We have 2 types of rooms available, a standard room and a deluxe room. The standard room costs €80 per night. The deluxe room costs €120 per night." Clara thinks for a moment. Her company gave her a budget of €90 per night. The standard room fits her budget well. "I would like the standard room, please," she says. "Of course," says the receptionist. "That will be €240 for the 3 nights in total." Then the receptionist says something important. "We do require a deposit to hold your reservation." Clara is not sure what this means, so she asks politely. "I'm sorry. Could you explain what a deposit is?" she asks. The receptionist is happy to explain. A deposit is a small payment you make now to secure your booking. It shows the hotel that you are serious about your reservation. "The deposit for your room is €50, the receptionist continues. "You will pay the rest of the total when you arrive at the hotel." Clara understands now. "That sounds fine," Clara says. She takes out her bank card. The receptionist takes the card details over the phone carefully and securely. "Your deposit has been processed successfully," the receptionist says. "Your room is now reserved." Clara feels very happy. She made it through the difficult part. But Clara still has some questions. She wants to know about the hotel's amenities. Amenities are the extra features or services that a hotel offers to make guests comfortable. "Could you tell me about the hotel's amenities?" Clara asks. "Of course," says the receptionist. "We have a fitness center, a restaurant, free Wi-Fi in all rooms, and a rooftop terrace." "That sounds wonderful," Clara says. She is excited about the rooftop terrace. She loves to sit outside and enjoy the view of a new city. "Is breakfast included in the room price?" she asks. This is an important question for many travelers. "Breakfast is not included," the receptionist says. but our restaurant offers a breakfast buffet for €12 per person. Clara makes a note of this. She writes it on her notepad so she does not forget. Good travelers always write down important information. Then she asks one more important question. What time is checkout? The receptionist explains. Checkout is the time you must leave your room and return your key. Our standard checkout time is 11 o'clock in the morning, the receptionist says. If you need a late checkout, you can request it at the front desk when you arrive. There may be a small extra charge. 11 o'clock is fine for me, Clara says. She checks her conference schedule. Her last session finishes at 9 in the morning, so she has plenty of time. Do you have parking available at the hotel? She asks. Yes, the receptionist says. We have an underground parking garage. The cost is €15 per day. Clara will travel by train, so she does not need parking, but she thanks the receptionist for the information. It is always polite to say thank you. Is there anything else you would like to know? The receptionist asks. Clara thinks carefully. She wants to be sure she has all the information she needs. Yes, one more question, Clara says. What is the hotel's address and how far is it from the central train station? The receptionist gives her the address and says the hotel is only a 10-minute walk from the station. That is very convenient, Clara says. She is happy. She will not need to take a taxi. She can walk with her small suitcase. She likes walking in new cities. Now, let me give you your confirmation number, the receptionist says. A confirmation is an official message or number that proves your booking is complete and real. Your confirmation number is Hotel 742 Romeo, the receptionist says slowly. Clara writes the number on her notepad very carefully. She reads it back to check. That is correct, the receptionist confirms. We will also send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Please keep it for your records. Clara gives her email address clearly. She spells it out letter by letter. This is a good habit when giving an email address over the phone. Is there anything else I can help you with today? The receptionist asks warmly. No, that is everything. Thank you so much for your help, Clara says. You are very welcome, Clara. We look forward to welcoming you to the Grandview Hotel. Have a wonderful day. The call ends. Clara puts down her phone. Clara looks at her notepad. She has written down everything she needs: the reservation dates, the room type, the deposit paid, the checkout time, the confirmation number. She feels proud of herself. She made a phone call in English. She asked questions politely. She understood the answers. She did a great job. A few minutes later, her phone makes a sound. She has a new email. She opens it. It is the confirmation email from the Grandview Hotel. The email shows all the details: her name, the room type, the arrival and departure dates, the confirmation number, and the amount of the deposit she paid. Clara saves the email in a special folder. She also prints a copy to take with her. Now she is completely ready for her trip. 3 weeks later, Clara arrives at the train station in the new city. She pulls her small suitcase through the station doors. She is excited. She walks 10 minutes to the hotel. She pushes open the front door. Inside, the hotel is warm and beautiful. The lobby smells like fresh flowers. At the front desk, a smiling receptionist looks up. Welcome. Do you have a reservation with us? Yes, I do, Clara says confidently. She hands over her printed confirmation. The receptionist smiles. Everything is in order, Clara. Here is your room key. Your room is on the 5th floor. The elevator is just behind you. Clara smiles back. She did it. Now let us review the 6 key vocabulary words from today's story. These are important words for booking a hotel in English. Listen carefully. Number 1. Reservation. A reservation is an arrangement you make in advance to keep a room, table, or seat for you at a specific time. Number 2. Availability. Availability means whether something, like a hotel room, is free and possible to book on the dates you want. Number 3. Deposit. A deposit is a small amount of money you pay in advance to secure your booking. You pay the rest later. Number 4. Checkout. Checkout is the time you must leave your hotel room and return your key at the end of your stay. Number 5. Amenities. Amenities are the extra features and services a hotel offers to make guests comfortable, such as a gym, Wi-Fi, or a swimming pool. Number 6. Confirmation. A confirmation is an official message or number that proves your booking is complete. You should always keep your confirmation. You followed Clara's story from beginning to end. You heard how she made a reservation, asked about availability, paid a deposit, learned about amenities, asked about checkout, and received her confirmation. You did a wonderful job today. Learning English through stories is one of the best ways to remember new words. Keep practicing every day. You are improving more than you know. If this story helped you, please subscribe to Fluent Story English. We publish new stories every week to help you grow your English gently and naturally. We will see you in the next story.